question 2, we are only going to do 2b right now. We are going to leave question 2a until after we have done our unit circle and memorized all of our values. So in 2b, determine the approximate values of the 6 trig ratios for 586 degrees to the nearest thousandth. So we're going to figure out what sine of 586 degrees is, cos of 586 degrees is, tan of 586 degrees, and also the reciprocal ones, which are cosecant of 586 degrees, secant of 500, that doesn't look like a 586 degrees, and cotangent of 586 degrees, using our calculator. So we've already discovered how to make sure that our calculator is in degrees by hitting our mode button. And now we need to write sine of 586, cos of 586, and tan of 586, and write these answers down. Negative 0.719, negative 0.695, and 1.036. All of those answers are to the nearest thousandth. Those answers tell me it's in quadrant? Quadrant 3. Why is it in quadrant 3? Because only tan is positive. The other two are negative. I mean, we could also figure out with coterminal angles by subtracting 360 and getting 226 degrees and thinking about where 226 degrees is to figure out where it's in quadrant 3. But our answers also tell us it's in quadrant 3. So how do I figure out the other ones, cosecant, secant, and cotangent? Well, with my calculator, if I want to find out cosecant, I'm going to have to do 1 divided by sine of 586. For secant, I'm going to have to do 1 divided by cos of 586. And for tangent, for cotangent, I'm going to have to do 1 over tangent of 586. Negative 1.390. Whoops. Negative 1.390, negative 1 point. How do I round this one to the nearest thousandth? 1440. And finally, 0.966. So it's just a matter of typing things into our calculator to find these. The first one's really easy. The second ones, we need to know what the reciprocal is and figure that out from there. So we're only doing 2b right now, and homework will just be 7b.